Hey everybody, it's Mary Gardner. If you are an athlete, I wanted you to just think about something for a second, and then I want to invite you somewhere. Think of all of the athletes and how long your career actually lasts. Unless you're a coach where you go into coaching and you're still around athletics. You have a certain window of time as a sports person in order to make something big happen. And how do you extend a career after that and to make sure that your story stays alive? How is you start speaking? So I wanted to talk to you about it. We are having an upcoming workshop on February 2nd and 3rd, and I would love to invite you to it. It's called the Storycraft Summit, and we will be working on your personal story and having you know and write your stories within your story. So it's your motivational story, and then on the second day, we will be practicing it on stage. And if you are somebody who has always loved motivating people, inspiring people, and maybe you're looking for a side gig or maybe even a full-time gig, speaking is blowing up. And so I wanted to chat with you about it. If you would like to come to a webinar, please let us know. We'd be happy to talk to you in person if we can find time, and we'll send you this workshop information right now. It'll be myself and joined with 3 other executive coaches who are terrific, and I know that we can help take you to the stage. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired and keep being that light to the world that we all need right now. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.